we are here to present Medlock. Now I want to picture your loved ones, your grandfather, your grandmother, or an aging parent. Now just imagine them entering a crowded clinic. They are really exhausted, their hands are shaking with high fever and just want to see a doctor. But instead of getting help, they are handed with a clipboard, a 3-page paper form, which they have to fill. Tiny lines, complex medical jargons and medical histories that they struggle to remember. And honestly, this isn't just inconvenience. This is our healthcare system that has totally forgotten the people who need compassion the most. And that's why we built Medlock. Medlock eliminates paper registrations of patients and replaces it with a fast, secure and accessible digital experience.
The problem we are trying to solve is not a minor inconvenience. It's a whole entire issue. Now imagine if you try to get a manual transcription, if you have a grandparent trying to get a manual transcription of their forms. Firstly, judges, did you know that to log in the details of one person, it takes the receptionist around 7 to 10 minutes? And that would mean that in a 50-person clinic, it would take over 8 hours. And that too without a single diagnosis. That would mean it would take so much of the clinic's time. Secondly, even small errors by manual transcription can lead to huge problems. Drug prescriptions, insurances, it can be fatal. Thirdly, if an unconscious person enters an ER, the doctor will have no idea who they are. They will have no idea what allergies they have, no idea about the medical history. And that is why we have Medlock.
So, what we built? We built Medlock, a two-way medical ecosystem. What patient updates, the hospital will receive, and what hospital updates, the patient will track. So, here how it works. The patient has to create his ID on our app once. उनको बार-बार same form fill करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. और at any partner clinic, they have to just visit and tap on the smart card, so on the reception terminal, so that it would make easy. After the consultation, if any prescription is added, it would be added automatically to his or her profile, so no repeated paperwork would be needed.
Now comes one of the main questions. How do you create a profile? So there are two ways to create a Medlock profile. First is a caregiver loop. One of the family members downloads the app and makes a profile of the senior citizen. Then he links it to the card. The card will get all of the data that they put. It will be easy and fast. The second method will be the attendant method, in which we go to the kiosk, we give the attendant a card, and he will tap it on the machine, and all of your important information will show up. This is the one-time method. After that, it will be easy, fast and independent. You can do it all by yourself.
That's the app. Now let's talk about the hardware itself. We built physical kiosks that look and feel just like fast food self-service machines, something almost the entirety of the population is familiar with. Our kiosks have two models, the lower model being specially designed for clinics. The difference between the two models is the amount of traffic they manage to handle, the amount of traffic they need to handle. Since a clinic has less patients, less visitors than compared to a multi-speciality hospital, it requires less coding and less funding. Our first variant, the one designed for clinics, is a wall-mounted kiosk with an NFC scanner extending from the bottom. It costs us around 50,000 to 1 lakh to build. The second variant is that we specially curated for multi-speciality hospitals. Looks similar to the clinic one. It is also a wall-mounted kiosk with the NFC scanner. However, the difference between the two, as I earlier said, is the amount of traffic they need to handle. The second kiosk is also made with more armored materials, making it suitable for the heavy foot traffic that big hospitals have to manage. That costs us somewhere between 1 and 2 lakhs to build. Both the kiosks use an NFC and Bluetooth data transfer system, making sure that the sensitive medical data will never touch a public Wi-Fi network.
Let me introduce the physical key of our entire ecosystem, the Smart Med Card card. So, ये सिर्फ एक कार्ड नहीं है, it's the bridge between the patient and their medical records. The med pass is the durable passive NFC card which has no battery, no charging और ना ही किसी काउंटर पे जाके किसी ऐप को ओपन करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. The process is extremely simple. Patient को बस कियोस्क पर जाके टैप करना है और the system will instantly recognize them और जो भी उनकी medical details है वो in few seconds उनके सामने available हो जाएगी. So the most important thing is security. Security is our top priority. The card does not contain any information. It only has a token, which means if the card is lost, their personal information would not be leaked.
Talking about security, since we are handling some of the most sensitive data in the world, our kiosks have 3-layer security system. The lock number 1 is an immutable audit log. What this basically means is that every change and update made to a patient's medical profile automatically.
Forward from the card now.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. So, what this basically means is that every change made to a patient's medical history or their profile gets updated in an automatic logbook. Meaning, if I, as a doctor, make a change, the timestamp of when I made the change, my medical ID, and what the change is will automatically be entered into a logbook. This is a non-tamperable record, meaning that this history cannot be deleted and is permanently safe. Log number 2 is the fact that no change can be made unilaterally. Meaning, me being a doctor, I can't change a patient's prescription to whatever I want. Once a change is made, it enters a pending state and can only be sent to the patient's profile once it is remotely verified, either by the patient himself or their caregiver's profile, which is linked to the patient. Log number 3 is role-based access. Now the next feature of our product actually is the ICE mode, that is triggered in emergencies. Now Midansh would like to explain that.
Now, judges and everyone, picture this. You're working at the hospital and someone unconscious in a stretcher comes in the hospital. The doctors do not know their allergies, their blood group or their medical history. What will you do? When you have the card, tap it into the machine and all important data will come, such as blood group, allergies or medical data. You can then work on the patient according to that. The patient's family will be informed that the loved one is admitted to the hospital. This is safe and this is really trustworthy, to be honest.
Okay, so judges, let's walk through our revenue model. Medlock is primarily a B2B healthcare platform, whereas for patients it's a one-time payment model. Our paying customers are healthcare providers. We charge $5,999 from clinics and diagnostic labs, whereas we charge $39,999 from large multi-speciality hospitals. These subscription includes everything which is required to run a secure and scalable healthcare data platform such as cloud storage, HMS integration and analytics. What makes this model especially strong is its high retention. Once a clinic or hospital has matched its patient's database with Medlock, the platform becomes deeply integrated into its daily operations. That's why Medlock is more than just a software produced. It becomes a critical layer of healthcare infrastructure, driving long-term recurring revenue and strong customer loyalty.
We'll talk about the marketing. Now this is what makes our brand truly unique. Our customer acquisition cost would be zero. We don't need a sales team, we don't need ads. What we're doing is simple. We're adding a standing beside wait lines. And all they need to do is just say, switch to Medlock and skip the 20-minute line because it's not worth it. Secondly, the hospital itself is acting as a marketing place. The hospital receptionist all the time, 24/7, what they're doing is promoting our product because it completely eliminates their workload. Now,
So ma'am, that is plan B. If the cold start period for our project is too long, say we have integrated all our hospitals with kiosks, but the patient is still not aware. Even though we're trying to keep marketing costs near zero, because as she explained, our main marketing idea is that the hospital does the marketing for us. But if we feel that the cold start period is too long, then we'll be switching to direct B2C marketing.
If no patient has the card and the hospital invests, how would it work?
Ma'am, see, if when the hospital itself switches towards our systems, the patients will be forced to buy the card, because अगर hospital का system ही हमारा है, and the patients want to work with an old system that does not exist anymore, then they won't be able to. In a way, they'll be forced to switch to Medlock.
Okay, in a pilot urban city as this one, by year 2 we plan to install around 200 kiosks in just in clinics, local clinics, and 100 in private specialty hospitals. And that would mean by year 2 we're looking at 52 lakhs as our monthly revenue and around 12 lakhs for a yearly income.
But here is the real turnaround. Large hospitals have the capacity to take at least 4 machines. That alone generates 38.4 CR in yearly revenue by year 2.
Healthcare is inherently complicated. Check-in shouldn't be. Care for your loved ones even when you're not there.
Via Medlock.
Nothing lost.
Nothing missed. Thank you, judges. So the prices of running the cloud servers, they're all included in the hospital charge, the subscription we're charging from the hospital, and the money will be taken from the patients. Because, sir, around a terabyte of cloud storage costs us 700 rupees. And sir, from the research we've done, one patient's average medical data is around 200 MB. That means yearly medical data. That means from just that 700 rupees, we'll be able to foster around 2,000 patients. Sir, when the doctor signs into the system, they have to put in their medical ID. Once that is verified, only then will they be able to see the patient's medical data. Receptionists can't see it because they aren't verified physicians.
Good job, guys. Can we have a round of applause for them? And the next team, can you please come in?